I am. Yeah, I died in the game as a prisoner. So we are back. What up? We are back in another video. So, then we are there. Wait for ya. Oh snap! It's an opening. Oh, it's a glitch again. Oh my god. Oof. Okay. Yeah.
Sama bunga yung device.
Banana. Okay. Thing just joined the game. Okay. Yes. Guys, I'm here with two of my bestest friends. I don't sound like them. I don't sound, it's so nerve wracking. I get metal, yeah. I get metal. Wait, what? Wait, you got room? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Somebody got a mech. A superhero got a mech. Look at this mech. This superhero got a mech. Oh my god. No, I get metal. Still looking, still looking. I'm gonna search outside if I can find any like screwdriver, pick lock. I got a rope, y'all. I got a rope. Oh my god, flipping Iron Man. Oh my gosh. I have a rope. I got a rope. I got a rope. Somebody named FBI. Wait, no, it's FLBI. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, hello. Leona here. Leona here. No, it's open. Reset your character then. If it locked for you, reset your character. I can walk through. No, this will open. That's what I do. Missile didn't. Missile didn't open either. Missile didn't even open either. But I still get to open. Oh, I see ya. Look it down here. I see ya. Wait. Come back in. We an escape, Asha. Bro, what is wrong with your foot? I know it's making game freeze a little bit, but not my game. Yep, I have a rope. We escape from outside. But first, we gotta wait on new member. Oh, Leon, you see that? You can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that. Oh, see that? Just see that? Just jump and crouch. Jump, crouch, and see that? Jump, crouch, and jump. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. You gotta jump and crouch and stand back up. You can't fall on the floor. You gotta like land it. Like just oh snap! Crap! I didn't press paper. Perfect. By the time I know what to do, Leon, I know what to do. By the time. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Then oh god. Oh god. Where you going? Look. 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun. It doesn't do it at the same time. But I do it to stick them more early. I know which one. The other one. The other one. Wait a minute. I'm gonna do the other one. 3, 2, 1. Boom. There. La 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 la. Skirting, you're right, twisting, you're kicking, you're missing, the dishes are missing, malicious, I'm doing my right, Wait, I think it's the, oh, wait, no, that's not you. Hurry! Explosion. Explosion. I think it's a mech. I'm gonna try to see if I can pickpocket police or kill a police by time. I'm gonna try and see if I can. Somebody named Gear Bell, I just realized them. I just realized. I wanna try killing the police, or I could be able to go inside the police base and I'll be able to get y'all in. I see a police, oh my god. Police, come here, fight! Come on, fight. One. We have a report. We have a killer on the loose. A serial killer. He kills. I want to look at my clothes. My clothes look so good. Wait, what? I just realized my shirt on the side have a dragon on the side. I just realized that. It have a dragon on the side. To be honest, with a nice shirt. It's a Nike. I'm a Nike. I'm a Gucci. And help criminals inside. Help criminal is inside. Help police, help me, or else I will kill you. Wait, oh, Leon. Wait. Oh no, that can't work. I don't care. Leon, you know we do exactly what we do down here. Just jump up here and try and see if we can get on top. Let me try that. Come. You show me and you forget. Oh no, I should have grabbed on. I couldn't grab on anyways. Wait, there's a prisoner. Come, Leon, I'm waiting. Look at helicopter down here. The helicopter lock. It's helicopter. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, Leon. I have to go. I'm a shooting star. Cut. How are you there inside? Okay. Fly. Bro, fly. Woohoo! We need for. Oh my god, I almost fall. Woo! Oh no, I go in the water. Oh crap. Yes, I make it. Leah, we made it to the light. Perfect. Okay. Find a car. You find a car. We using bike? Let me use a bike. Oh. Oh no! My bike it fall in the water. Crap. It fall in the water. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Where the other one there? Oh, perfect. There it is. Wait, you bike. Wait, oh my god, I am under the water. I glitched you on the thing. I am stuck. I am actually stuck. This is nonsense. This game hates me. Please tell me I can swim on this thing. I can't. I stuck underneath the bridge. I am legit. I stuck underneath the bridge. I can't escape. I can't come out. I actually can't come. I can't come out. Oh! Please tell me I can glitch through the wall and just come out. I gotta try. I see that. No, I'm underneath the bridge. I am underneath the floor. I am underneath the floor on the bridge. I can't see you. I don't know how. Oh my god. This game hates me. Oh shit. It doesn't matter because. Wow! Okay, perfect. I mean, perfect. I am back in prison. Lovely, where I need to belong. Wait, you can't spawn in a helicopter and come for me? Oh, I see police. I need police standing still. Come here. He ain't standing still no more. Bro, come here. Come. I think, to be honest, I think I might punch you up. Punchy! Girl, punch him! Oh, she got a gun. Come in. Nah, I didn't get killed. I get a key card. I get a key card. Never mind. Ah, come in. Oh my gosh, wait. I get a key card. No. I want to use these weapons. I think these weapons. No, don't leave me, please. Please don't leave me. Fortnite shotgun if it's used, knock mental. No, I just collecting some money and living up real nice. Oh my god. I want one. I want your puppy. Can I have a puppy? Okay. Oh yeah, I got a key card. I could just watch it in. Okay, I go into the criminal base. I won't get caught. I can just check a plane. Okay, me enable going back. Shut him out. I will not get caught. It's a hope. It's a hope. It's a hope not. I won't get caught. It's a hope not. I won't get caught. I've been missing from my business. Woo! I can easily just if they put I can easily just go inside the I could just drive back and go to it and collect a helicopter. I know he's coming back. This is Fast and Furious. I'm going to I can't drive properly at all. Oh my god, flips. Box flips. Shut him out later. Shut him out. Okay, I spawned near Durban because it's more easy to control. Not really. Except for this Batman looking one. As I can see. Oh! Wow! Oh my god. I'm a Nike. Wait. What? I have my wings. I'm time to fly. I am the boat. I'm gonna take them even. I'm on the boat. Get some gold. That's what I'll be on the boat for. Wait. Easy as 1, 2, 3. If I miss this again. No! But don't move, please. I beg. I come here and I come for one thing. Flip the boat. Wait, were you there? Oh, look you. Oh, you don't do the boat. Oh, look at you. What are you doing? I don't have a vehicle. I lied. Spider-Man! Woo! That was a lie. That was a hell of a lie. Okay, I might go to the bank. Because I have my clothes and everything. Yep, I'm going to the bank. I'll meet you there. That's why I robbed the thing.